Why does your scanner show the P0880 engine code? What does it mean? P0880 is a diagnostic trouble code for TCM Power Input Signal. This engine code indicates that your vehicle's PCM has detected a problem in the electrical circuit that supplies power to the Transmission Control Module TCM. This interruption in the power signal can prevent the TCM from functioning correctly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuse or faulty relay, damaged wiring harness, faulty TCM, poor electrical connections, vehicle power loss. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai and Kia models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.